Today we are going to demonstrate the software project management tool. The name of the tool is ProjectLibre.
With the help of this tool, we are going to prepare the Gantt chart, the WBS and the network chart.
The first, while we are going to open that app, the first thing it will come the tips. We have to skip the tips, and we will ask two things to create a project or open the project. The first is to create the project. First we have to give the project name. Project name we can give as VIT, and we can give as VIT and Co. In that manager VITs, and the start date is nothing but the the date which we are starting the project. We can give this Monday, and the notes is that thing, but the description of the project, if we need we can give, or else we can press simply OK. After this OK, it will specify some columns with the name as the first is name, that means activity name, and the duration, and the start time, finish time, and predecessors. The first we have to give the name of the activity. We can give as R&D. R&D is nothing but research and development. And under research and development we can take ideas. First we will take some times to take ideas for that project. So the ideas can be a new activity under the research and development. And then the determine product, and then we can take design part, that means that designing the product. After designing we can test that project. Okay, we can take a test and fix. And next is, after doing this we have to go for packaging. Under packaging we have to design, and after designing we have to manufacture that products. After designing done, then we have to do production. Production can be a module production. Under production there will be two things: tool up, and then we can manufacture the initial product. And then last we have to deliver the products. Under delivery we have to do packaging, and then shipping, and then we have to specify the modules and their activity. The research and development is a module, and packaging is a module, and production is a module, and delivery is a module. So we have to indent these activities, so that we have to select that activities, and we have to go for task, and we have to give indent. If you are done wrong we can give outdent, indent. And then under packaging there are two activities, that is a design and manufacturing, so that we can indent them also. Under production we have tool up and manufacturing initial product, and we can indent this. And afterwards under the delivery we have the two activity, the packaging and shipping. We have to select that packaging and shipping, we have to press indent. And now we can clearly identify that R&D is a module, packaging is a module, and production is a module, and delivery is a module. Under these were the activities. And now we have to prepare the duration. For ideas we can take 2 days. For idea we can take, for determining the products we can take, for example we can take 1 day, and for designing the product we can take 6 days, because the designing part is so important, so we can take 6 days. For test and fix we can take 3 days, and then the designing, for designing we can take 2 days. For manufacturing we can take 10 days. For tool up we can take 3 days. For initial manufacturing products we can take 2 days. For packaging we can take 1 day. For shipping we can take 4 days. These are all assumptions, and in the module it will place the 6 days, 10 days, like that it will show. This way the things which occupies the highest days. And then start time we can change, or we can keep the same. Start time is the time which we are given. The first itself we are given the date is 6/11/2017, and if we need we can change, otherwise we can leave the same.
Now I am going to do the dependency work, like which thing depends upon which other thing. Suppose here the determination of product depends upon the ideas that we are going to do for our project. So here this is showing the ideas, and this is showing the determined product. So the determination of product depends upon the ideas. So here also we can see that the determined product depends upon the ideas, that is 2. 2 is the serial number of the ideas, so here it depends upon the ideas. In the same way, now the designing of product, it depends upon the determination of product. So in same way we have to show its dependency. We just have to drag and drop this. Yeah, so here the designing of product depend upon the determination of product. Now here the test and fix, test and fix, this depends upon the designing of product. We can perform this task only after designing the product. So here we have to show the dependency of test and fix. In this way also we can prepare the critical path and Gantt chart, and in other way also we can prepare. Like here it is showing that it depends upon the second number activity, so here also we can type the names. Like here design depends upon the designing of product, so here we can give number 4 and we can press enter. Now it is showing that it depends upon this. So in same way manufacturer depends upon the designing part. So if you will prepare here the dependency of manufacturer, then it will come as the design. So design serial number is 7. So if you will press enter, then like here you can see it depends upon the 7th number. 7th number is of design, so manufacturing is depending upon the design part. So now if you will press enter, it will show the dependency of this thing. In same way we can do for all other things also, like tool up can be done after designing part. Then manufacturing the initial product, it depends upon the tool up thing. And here comes the after that the packaging thing is there. Packaging depends upon the manufacturing. Here manufacturing available in 2 ways, like one is after the design and one is after the tool up. So it depends upon both of these activities. So we have to put here both activities 11 semicolon, then we have to give the it comes. Now the shipping depends upon the packaging. After packaging only we can deliver the product. So here this is the Gantt chart as well as the critical path. Now this is the Gantt chart, and we are having the network chart also. If we are clicking on network, it will show the network chart. Here we can see these are the modules, and this red color we can see this is the critical path which it is following in the network diagram. And here WBS, work based structure, also we can see. After clicking on this, we will find out that one is a module is research and development, one is packaging, and one is production. So, and one more is there, yeah, delivery. So under delivery, these two activities are there, that is packaging and shipping. Under production, tool up and manufacturing, initial production. After that, packaging, under packaging, design and manufacture is there. And under research and development, the ideas, determine the product, design product, and test and fixing is available. Here we can see that for this much cost is required, for this much cost is required. All these things are given by these modules and activities.
The work-based structure also has been created, and now go and we can see the Gantt chart. According to Gantt chart, it will clearly defines as our project will be fully completed after shipping at the 10th December 2017. At the day is Monday. The red color were the critical path and the blue color were the activities. And then now we have to save the project, so that we have to go to the file and we have to give save as or save, and then we can give the the file name will be that the project name which has been given, that VAT and co, that POD is the extension of that project. Save. Thank you.